W3 Total Cache. So you saw that we use SiteGround, which already has a caching kind of plugin or caching, something that helps us with caching, which is called SiteGround Optimizer, I think. So if you don't have it, something that already helps with your caching on with your hosting, maybe you could opt for this, a plugin for caching. It helps you just optimize your website speed and performance. So when it comes to ranking on Google or just your visitors having the best experience with you, I think even the smallest little things you could do for optimizing the speed of your site really helps. So it makes it easier for them to find you and makes it so that when they actually go onto your site, they don't click out because something is taking too long to load. So it does a lot of stuff in the background, maybe minification of CSS, just gets rid of the extra space in the code, and lots of other things to really optimize it. But I find that in those little marginal optimized little things that it can do, it really helps with overall performance.